Hi, everybody. I am Marty Gallen, the one, the only Marty Gallen, and I'm here with review-rated.com. Now, where can you find me? You can find me bloornews.com, collegestreetnews.com, stclairmagazine.com, harborfrontnews.com, and stjamestownnews.com. I'll be at all those places. Hi, I'm Marty Gallen, and we are here at the old spaghetti factory in Toronto, Canada. And we are celebrating 40 years of business, correct? Dan, you are Dan.
That is I.
Dan Nachu.
That is me. 40 years in the business, landmark in Toronto. It's been a good year for us.
How does someone survive 40 years in a city where there's new restaurants and new themes? How do you do that?
Well, I think it has to start with the food, for sure. The food has been something that has been our bread and butter since day one, and second in hand is service. And those two together make, for the perfect dining experience. You throw in the amazing artifacts we have on the wall, you can't beat it. I mean, it's your go-to destination in Toronto when you want to have the family out for a good valued meal. 3 courses, I mean, you can't go wrong.
So how much is a meal here, the cheapest meal?
Cheapest meal is about $14.25. 3 courses, your choice of a salad and soup. You get your hot bowl of pasta, tomato sauce, meat sauce, whatever that may be, and then to finish it all off, you got your choice of the ice cream, which happens to be the most famous one, is Spumoni. I'm sure you remember that one, Marty. It's a great one, and you can't forget the bread, the sourdough bread that we have in our garlic butter, which is made in house. People travel miles just to get it.
I worked here actually 40 years ago. And it's hard to believe 40 years later that I'm still alive.
Marty, come on, let's say that. It's a good thing you're still alive. Otherwise, we wouldn't have what this day that we're celebrating today.
Celebrating butter tarts, which is amazing because 40 years later to come back to a place, it's a real honor. Your father was one of the founding people that started, generated this whole business, correct? Peter Nachu?
That is correct. My father, Peter Nachu, was one of the lifelines behind the restaurant. Can't give a lot of the credit to him, especially for the Toronto location. Has been in working with Peter Buckley, and he took it over from the Peloso family. But they've had great direction since then, and the sky's the limit with this restaurant in terms of, in our eyes. We don't plan to go anywhere in the next 10, 20 years, hopefully, and we realize that we're a landmark, and like you said, we only get this way from giving a good service, good food, and people come back for that, and that's how you see other restaurants open up and close. It's just the way of the business. If you don't treat your customers well, then they won't come back.
What do you think drove Peter to success?
He's a hardworking man, they always have that say, if you come from nothing, you can make everything, and I truly believe in the fact that, if you have a dream, you stick to it, you can accomplish anything you want, and he's stone cold evidence of that being happening. He came from fairly little, and he made a dream out of something he wanted to. And as you're sitting around us 40 years later, and I'm sure he's more impressed than any of us that we're still here talking today in his establishment. So, I can't give any more credit to him.
When you were a boy, did you actually think that you'd end up here? Because I remember, actually, I knew you when you were a boy, believe it or not. You were a little kid running around.
Yeah, no, I can remember those days running around. My old man would have me doing odd jobs here and there and get me into the business as soon as I could, and I was appreciative of that. I got to see what hard work and how it paid off, and all the small things count. I can remember when I was a kid taking the gum off the bottom of the table is something that no one ever sees, but those are something that, the small details that everyone pays attention to. No one wants to reach under a table and find that. But, I always kind of knew that I had a very good opportunity to come into the business, and what better business? I get to associate with people all the time, lovely people like yourself, and every day there's people new, and if you, an office job isn't for you, this is the job for you, a people industry.
People job. You've had generation after generation come, return with their kids. Is it an honor to meet people that say, oh, my grandmother came here, I'm coming here, my mother came here?
It is, and it's fascinating every time. Every time we walk a guest into the restaurant, we make an effort to ask them if this is their first time here or not. And, we always get amazing stories. Just in fact, before we had the 40th anniversary, I had a lady said she was here the opening day of the restaurant 40 years ago. And so it was mind-blowing. I got her information, made sure she came back, had pictures taken with her on our 40th. And it is an honor, to see that people take the time to come back after 15, 20 years and they still remember us. We've left that lasting impression. That means we've done our job.
Amazing. What do the next 5 years hold for you?
Next 5 years, like I said, we've been focused on maintaining our brand, making sure that we can better products, always making sure we can capitalize on opportunities that we see at our hand. We want to grow. We want to grow the name for the Old Spaghetti Factory, with social media being a very prominent figure in our society now. It's a great venue for us to get on and make sure we can reach a lot more ears and eyes as well. We get a lot more input. As you know, common cards play big into how we judge our business and how we're doing. And the online common cards do even more of a wonder. So if we can tap into the social media, get online, get more people hearing how good our product is, I think we could grow our business exponentially.
A lot of plans, a lot of dreams still, and open to new experiences here.
Yes, of course. And not just here. Take the knowledge you learn from here and apply it elsewhere. I mean, I've learned as much as I can, and I continue to learn more from the business. My father and my brother, they've been great mentors for us. And we work as a family to make this business grow longer. I think that's the best thing you can ask for. We work together, and there's no hostility, any of that animosity, and we are all working towards one goal. And like I said, you can apply all the things we've learned in here, and we can maybe open a new chain that could last for another 50 years plus. Yeah.
Well, it's amazing. 40 years later, still good food, good service, and a family-run business. And they've concentrated for the last 40 years on one location, and they've kept the energy and the spirit up. So congratulations, the next 40 years. And this is the start of my butter tarts here. I'm honored. Came as a waiter, and now I'm supplying food.
Well, we're honored to have your butter tarts here. It's a great story behind the butter tarts, and I don't doubt the product is bang on. Like I said, we dedicate ourselves to quality, and we wouldn't bring on a product unless we thought it would do very well for us and for yourself as well. I think anyone who comes in and visits us at the Old Spaghetti Factory and has one of these tarts, you will be thoroughly blown away. I've had all 3 of them. Actually, there's 4 of them, and I can tell you they're amazing. Come down here and try them for yourself. You can also buy 6 of them if you really love them that much. We're that dedicated to the product that they're going to fly off the shelves.
Thank you. I appreciate you, your father, and all the love. You are very much a part of your father. There's so much that he has passed on, the sincerity. Because when I met your father, he was a quiet guy from Winnipeg, correct? Winnipeg. And it's amazing how he has grown, and you are following in his footsteps with your own shoes.
Well, like I said, I'm honored to be the son of his, and brought into greatness like this. It's a great place that we have going here, and the only thing we can do to keep this plate going and keep him happy is to keep that quality and that tradition alive, which, like you said, family-run business, and there's no doubt that we'll keep that front and center in what we want.
Website and phone number?
Website, theoldspaghettifactory.net, and the phone number is 416-864-9761.
And the hours?
The hours, we are open every day, 11:30 a.m. till 10 p.m. on Monday to Thursday, and until 11 p.m. on Friday and Saturday.
And of course, we want to know the location, because people are going to want to know where you're located.
Oh, of course, that's the very pertinent information. We're located at 54 the Esplanade for the last 40 years, like you've said. Down just 1 block below Front Street, 2 blocks east of Yonge, right beside the Sony Center. You can't miss us.
The Old Spaghetti Factory. Come on down and taste some great food and meet some great guys. Thank you.